how to add categories menu in Wix. So the first step is to simply click on add elements, and then you're gonna have to scroll down and click on blog. And then what you're gonna have to do next, so I'm gonna have to click on add to site. So you're gonna have to add the blog to your website. So we're gonna have to wait until this loads up. Now, if you already have this set up, what you're gonna have to do next is simply go back. So let's wait until this loads up. So you're gonna have to go to add elements, and then here you're gonna have to simply go to Wix blog, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on add blog elements, and then simply click on category menu, like this one here. And as you can see, you have the category menu, so simply click on that, and then you're gonna have to simply add it to your website, as you can see here on the right side. And basically that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.